guys, it's Deja. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So happy Pride, my little proud babies. So it is Pride month, obviously. So as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a Pride inspired makeup look. So basically like a rainbow, super bright, just extravagant makeup look. I'm super excited for this because like Pride, hello, I'm so excited just to like show my love for like Pride month and everything, because like I feel like it's just so important. Yeah, so I guess if you guys want to see me do a super bright, colorful, obviously Pride inspired makeup look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm super excited. I kind of drew up a little face chart makeup look of how I want it to look. It's basically just this super colorful, as you guys can see, look. I never did a multicolored look before, and with it going good, so I want to see how it's gonna go, and I'm really excited. So we're just gonna start by priming my eyelids with some concealer, and this looks really light just because I want the colors to be super bright and all that good stuff. So I'm using a really light concealer. So first we're gonna start off with red. Obviously we're going in the color of the rainbow. I'm pretty sure we're doing it in order. So first we're gonna start off with red. So oh, by the way, I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette. So we're gonna take the second red in the palette. Basically we're just gonna start patting it on the inner corner of the eye, patting it and going in circular motions. Now we're gonna take a different brush and take the third red and put that in the same spot, but basically like in the middle, just to like darken it up a little bit. We're gonna take a different palette because that palette doesn't have orange for some reason. So we're gonna take the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and we're gonna take that orange and we're gonna put it right next to that red, basically in the same way. So like tapping it and going in circular motions. This is gonna be a pretty like self-explanatory look. I just want it to be like super blended out. Okay, now we're gonna take yellow, which we're gonna just take the yellow from the Juvia's Place palette. This might be a little bit higher than I wanted it because it makes it look not that like blended, because there's not really space for you to see the blend, if you know what I mean. We're gonna cut the crease and see if I kind of like how high it is, and if I don't, then you'll probably see like me coming back with the same exact, like I'm gonna be doing the same exact motions, but it might just be a little bit lower, like not all the way up to the brow. But let me cut my crease first to see. Okay, so as you can see, we're closer. If it looks different, it's because I basically just did what I told you guys that I did, but I moved it down lower just so you could kind of see the blend more, if that makes sense. And I really like the way it's looking. Every once in a while I'll go back in and add little like dots of color that like outline the cut crease, just to like make sure it's as vibrant as possible. So now we're gonna do basically the same exact colors that we did at the top, but we're gonna do eyeliner. But since I don't have colored eyeliners, we are going to be using the CC Beauty palette. I have a love-hate relationship with this palette, especially when I'm doing eyeliner, because it kind of like transfers really easily because it's not really that thick. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to do the colors and I'm going to mix them like with a little bit of powder, just so they're not as like creamy. Because it's really creamy. Is that what I said? I meant to say they're really creamy, so that's why they transfer. I'm going to mix them with a little bit of powder, and then right after I do the one color, we're going to set it with the color eyeshadow that it is, so it doesn't like crease right away and stuff. Blah. I don't know why I can't talk today. So yeah, we're gonna do that. So now that that eyeliner is done, it's pretty subtle. I'll go over it like with the eyeshadows again. Now we're gonna put gems basically in this spot where the colors are, so matching colors. Obviously red gem, orange, yellow, you know, all that good stuff. Okay, so those beautiful gems are down. Now I'm gonna go off camera and do my foundation, and then we'll come back for lips. And I want to do like some colored highlighter just to like match everything. So yeah, I'm gonna go off camera, do some foundation and base and everything, and then come back. But look how beautiful that looks. Period. Okay, so yeah, everything's pretty much done except for the lips, and I'm gonna do that with you guys. For the bottom, I just did the same exact colors for the top. I feel like you guys didn't need to hear me say use the same colors, because I literally did it for the eyeshadow, the liner, and the crystals. So I basically just used the same colors that I used at the top and the bottom. So yeah, I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna see what a purple lip looks like. In my sketch I have like a purple outline lip, but it might be too like loud, because usually when I have like a loud eye look, I don't really like want a super loud lip. But we'll see. Let's do the purple. So we're gonna use Run the World by NYX. Let's see what this looks like. It might look crazy, so I don't know why it looks so light on camera. I don't like the way it looks on camera. So let's see what the purple from ColourPop, I think it is, looks like. It might be too dark, and we might just go back to like neutral lip. You know what? I kind of like the contrast between like a dark outline lip and a colorful eye, so I think we're gonna keep it for now. I mean, this is the end of the video, so it's not just for now. But okay, my little babies, this is the finished Pride look. I'm gonna do a close-up like I say all the time, like I always do, because I love this look so much. I think it's so pretty. I love the little crystals that I added and all that good stuff. So just remember, like, if you're part of that LGBTQ plus community, I love you. You are so valid. You are so brave for like telling your story. I personally think like if you want to tell your story, then you can, but I personally don't think that you have to. That's just my opinion. Like when it comes to like sexuality, I'm like, girl, everybody just love each other, you know what I'm saying? Like, you don't have to tell your story if you don't want to. Just love who you love. You don't have to explain that to anyone. That's just my opinion. But I love you guys so much. You are so valid and important. So yeah, just kiss and love a LGBTQ plus member of your family, friends, not just this month, but every month, every year, every life, because they truly deserve it. And if you don't support, and if you like treat people differently because of who they love, then like there's literally a special place in hell for you. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff is on the screen right here, but it will also be in the description box. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Stay golden, stay fabulous. I love you guys so much, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.